have a pile of treasured family recipes tucked in the bottom drawer? Are you a passionate food historian with a collection of recipes that you feel need to be published? Are you a chef, a cook, or a home economist with your own original recipes? Or perhaps you're a food and wine marketer keen to have your clients' recipes published. Would you like to know how to sell them to publications or how to turn them into your own cookbook? Le Cordon Bleu's online learning 4-week course, Writing and Publishing Recipes, will take you through all of the steps required to publish your recipes. We'll explore the different genres of recipe writing and identify and understand the different styles of cookbooks on the market. You'll learn how to write and test recipes, turning just a pinch of this and a handful of that into recipes ready for publication. We'll explore how and where to get your recipes or cookbook published. By sharing and cooking recipes, we keep food and cultural heritage alive as we pass recipes and cooking skills from one generation to the next. Whether you're keen to preserve your family's recipes evermore or want to see your own recipes in print, Le Cordon Bleu's online learning, writing and publishing recipes will give you the tools and confidence to launch yourself as a recipe author.